Okay, in this very quick video, I'll show you kung paano mare-remove yung 25 messages na limit sa ating conversation AI na chatbot. So, dito sa workflow natin, all you need to do is yung add yung trigger na customer replied, tapos kung ano mang channel, filter nyo lang siya ng by channel kung saan nyo siya gustong i-apply. Okay, in our case, sa live chat natin siya in-apply. Then, save mo lang yung trigger na yan. And then, nag-add lang ako ng additional wait step para hindi siya immediately mag-apply. But you don't need to do that. Ang importante talaga is yung update conversation AI bot and status. So pag in-add nyo siya, keep the same lang, pero update bot's status active. Dapat maging active siya. Then save nyo yung action na yan, then save. Okay? So I hope clear yan, no? So update yung conversation na AI bot na status. Again, keep same and then active. Tapos save nyo yung sa baba. Okay? And then save action and then click save sa taas. Make sure na naka-publish siya, no? And then yeah, that's it. Goods na yung ano nyo, yung conversation AI chatbot nyo. Okay, thank you so much for watching.